Okay. I've gone straight into the territory of scared. Hi, I'm Woody, and this is my rambling, gambling, vagabonding life. 5 years exploring the planet, and I've seen a lot of places. From Colombia to Taiwan to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. This time is different though, because I wanted it all to be worth a damn. This time, I wander in preparation for a 3,000-mile trek to help raise money for the environment and wildlife. Please be sure to subscribe, and welcome to the journey. Chilling in the refuge. Can barely even lift my legs to take my shoes off or get out of this seat. But I wanted to show you guys the view from this refuge. Not bad, right? This is where we spend the night. Supposed to get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Popcorn?
Do you want dinner?
Dinner? Absolutely.
Yeah.
No, whenever you do it though. No rush. So this is our weird ass sleeping arrangement for the night. Luckily they gave me 4 blankets. And I'm gonna lay across about 4 mattresses. I'm gonna lay lengthwise.
Oh, you're gonna do like that?
Yeah, so no one can fucking come lay next to me. Oh look.
What is that?
It's cold. That's fog. That's whatever. When you're cold and you breathe it out. So I have a feeling it's gonna be a pretty cold night, but yeah, I just wanted to show this sleeping arrangement. The final breakfast.
Morocco.
We just woke up at 5, and we're about to embark on 5 hours going up to the peak of Toubkal with those things on, and then another 5 or 6 hours down. GoPro just went in past his knees, and I feel compelled to cite the animated cat in Paula Abdul's music video. I forget the name of the song, but the snow is so deep. I take 2 steps forward, I take 2 steps back. Every time I take a step, my foot sinks. Back, another step. Oh, that was a deep one. See how it slides into the abyss. Turns out 3 pairs of pants, 4 tops, 2 pairs of socks, 2 beanies and 2 hoods, and a pair of whack-ass gloves was not too much clothes. I feel just about perfect. You can do it! Whisper into the mic.
Whisper?
Whisper. No, like, just talk normal, but like, hey, my name is GoPro.
Hey, my name is GoPro. I'm from Morocco. Hello, my name is Omar. I am George 18 Atlas Mountain. I'm happy with this group in this so much pain to one side.
Are we your favorite group?
Yeah, your first group and the best group for me.
Yeah, little birdie. He's so cute and fat. Go on. Go get your food. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah. Good little birdie. Oh, he's so cute. Somebody left you a nice little meal. You little stinker. Okay, I'll see you later. Some more ASMR sounds. Oh my god, my leg. I really am kind of worried because the water's running out for me. And I can't drink the water they have because I'll get sick. Because my immune system is not used to the stuff in the water here. So worst case scenario, I guess I'm gonna put some snow in this bottle and hope I don't get sick. Watch.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I'm walking with these two goofballs. And we're in a mountain town during a pandemic and we're trying to find food and we have no cash. So it should go really well. Maybe somebody takes a debit card. Or we're gonna ask to borrow money from strangers and we'll pay them tomorrow.
Did you tell them that you just slept in the snow? Didn't tell them that you just
Oh, I did just slip and fall.
Very bad.
Very bad. Trying to help people get their car unstuck. It was very embarrassing. Big white American. Beans and bread. GoPro.
Yes.
You missed a spot.
GoPro. You don't know how to do this.
Look at the way these things are built in the mountains. It's a badass hand-laid brick home built amongst a giant mountain rock. So beautiful. We're leaving Imlil. We're heading to Lake Ifni. Got about a 3-hour drive before we get there, and we're packing the car full. GoPro can ride in the back. Don't mind me, I got all sorts of Vaselines and lotions on my lips and nose because I'm burnt to shit. I'm just gonna do a quick confessional, I guess you'd call it. This is probably the most irritated and frustrated and shitty I've felt since I left America almost 3 months ago. We summited Mount Toubkal, then we spent another night in that village. Maybe even 2 nights, I don't remember exactly. Then today we left that village at like, I guess like maybe noon or 1 or something like that. Drove all day. God, how long did that take? We must have left a lot later than that. It took maybe 6 hours, something like that. Snowing really hard, dark as fuck in the mountains. We finally get here after we're already staying in like so many cold places and shit. As you can see what I'm wearing in bed right now. God, I don't want to be bitching, but I just wasn't in the mood today. I'm not bitching, I'm just, sometimes shit, you're tired and exhausted and you don't feel like doing the shit you're doing, and that's what happened today. So we finally get here. It's raining. And we find out we have to pull up and find these 2 trucks, park by these 2 trucks, and then the host is going to meet us, and then we have to walk 2 kilometers. So we start walking in the rain, in the pitch dark. Then we have to scale these fallen boulders. It was like a disaster area, like all these rocks fell and covered the road, and we had to climb them, slippery, wet from the rain, with our 50-pound backpack and my laptop in my jacket. Then we get here, there's only 1 plug outlet in the room, and there's a space heater. That's the only heat the building has. So I can't plug anything in. The bed is super tiny, my feet are hanging off. Anyways, just wanted to do a quick confessional. Good night. We just saw some feet hanging down the window and realized there was that going on. Oh, we're just waiting for this rock slide to finish before we cross. Don't worry.
Can you see the mud there?
Uh-huh.
The mud, like... Big one.
It's snowing. Look at my face. Oh my God. It's snowing. Little hail balls. They're just little snowballs. They're not flakes, they're snowballs. But I'm good, I'm good. It's a great ASMR moment. Listen. Summited Toubkal, came down from Toubkal, stayed the night in Imlil. Last night, or yesterday, drove around the Atlas Mountains to Toubkal again. 7 hours, 8 hours driving, something like that. Literally the same national park, just a different part of it. But the distance between this part where this entrance of the national park and the other entrance where we went yesterday, or 2 days ago, or whenever it was, less than a mile for sure, but there's just so many mountains in the way, we had to drive 8 hours around. Here, where the lake is that we're trying to see. This is all my idea. Little fire by the frozen glacier lake. Oh my. Took us a lot of work to get to this fire. We actually took apart the house. Then we found some wood that was stored away, and then I picked up a bunch of scraps.